Honda has been prodding us with 2023 Honda CR-V full overhaul reports for some time now, however we actually haven't seen any authority subtleties. That is until now, when the 2023 Honda CR-V displayed in a covert agent shot, and we got an early glance at what it will most likely resemble. The 2023 plan is altogether different from the current model, and obviously this new vehicle will offer some significant enhancements to make it cutthroat against the Toyota RAV4 and different SUVs available. Honda is working diligently on the 2023 CR-V models, and we might have a hint of something to look forward to about the following model being much more naturally capable. We currently have photographs of the minimized hybrid SUV models that were gotten on a couple of events by our government agent photographic artists this year. Notwithstanding being completely dressed in thick high-contrast disguise, the new plan is not difficult to recognize, just as possible changes in size. The 2023 Honda CR-V's new style can be covered up, regardless of how much disguise is applied. As per Motor.es most recent government operative shots, the new appearance seems to have arrived at its last structure. The delivering changes what we can see into a hybrid plan that causes the model to have all the earmarks of being extensively more adult. Fortunate for us, Motor.es has chosen to set free of the diverting disguise up to improve. Check out the new Ages plan prospects. Also there seems, by all accounts, to be some awesome information for Honda fans. In front, the CR-V shows up longer than its present structure, with longer shades. Low mist lights flank the base grille opening. The front end is complement and less precise, and the meager cut headlights are associated by a chrome band that stumbles into the trapezoidal grille. Honda is specific with regards to how it changes the 2023 CR-V since it is one of its most famous vehicles across the world, particularly in the United States. The latest line of spy photographs seems to show the CR-V's last model structure. Accordingly, we may promptly assume this delivering is pretty much as exact as could be expected. Albeit the last plan might in any case be unique, up until this point the CR-V will look more developed and rich than any other time in recent memory. Will it be gas just, offer a crossbreed variation or full electric? We've yet to know what sort of vehicle the new CR-V will be.